them. I want them, I want them. Say me no no say me no no but no say me no no. You want? Me say me love all the sexy body girls. Me love to see when them a rock this young world. Just no really. You know why we love the ladies them so bad? Give it up. We love to see when them a wind up them wings. Them a dance to the drum and the bass. Just no really love them so. Just no here I am, baby. Come on and take me. Yes, here I am, baby. Don't you know I love you? Yes, here I am, baby. Come on and take me. Yes, here I am, baby. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, yeah. Sunrise Caribbean people, how you doing? I know we are here to have a good time this evening. And there's so many genres of music in the Caribbean. But we have one particular music in the Caribbean what the world just love. Do you love reggae music? I can hear you. Do you love reggae music? Yeah, man. Reggae music, the heartbeat of the people. Now, if you love reggae music, sing it reggae music. Reggae music. One thing about reggae music, when it makes you feel no pain. Come on. One thing about sweet reggae music, when it makes you feel no pain. So hit me with music. Just hit me with music. Just hit me with music right now. Just hit me. Hit me. 'Cause I'm a reggae rocker. So take it like me. I'm 6 feet tall, straight from Long Island to Lauderdale. I play the music that I love. Say, do you like me? Watch me now. Vibrations sent from up above. Say, do you like me? Sunrise. Because he's a rocker, she's a rocker. Rockin' to my melody. I'm a rocker, you're a rocker. I do this reggae. Dreadlocks flying through the air. Do you really, really love it? 'Cause all I've got is love to share. Do you love me? Yeah. No matter what the people say, we keep on jumping every day. So do you love me? Come on now. I do you really, really love me? Because he's a rocker, she's a rocker. Rockin' to my melody. I'm a rocker, you're a rocker. I do this reggae melody. Yes, he's a rocker, she's a rocker. Rockin' to my melody. I'm a rocker, you're a rocker. Rock it. He's a rocker, she's a rocker. Rockin' to my melody. I'm a rocker, you're a rocker. I do this reggae. Now if you love reggae music, I wanna see you clap your hands like this. Yeah man, yeah man. rocker, she's a rocker, rocking to my melody. I'm rocking, get lost, yes, someone's coming to dinner, a natty trader. Yes, someone's coming to dinner, a natty trader. As if you move over here and you rock over here, it's just reggae music. And if you rock over here and you rock over here, it's country. Now, give it up. I'm a second in the circle. We got with my sense up. And when them silent, just them up to me and pull up. Every woman there, I just how we pull up. And when them start to wine, you know them place don't smash up. Come on, to left, to right, up. They make no straight talk. We walk on that level, we be my lover. Come on, to left, to right, and up there, we don't say no time. Turn up, come you're not teacher. He's a rocker, she's a rocker. Rocking to my melody. I'm rocking, go rocking to this reggae melody. Yes, he's a rocker, she's a rocker. Rocking to my melody. I'm rocking, go rocking. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We're gonna dance, gonna dance. Yeah, how we doing? How we feeling? Can't hear the man. How we feel it? Yeah, man, we don't say it's nice.